I need help from you. Will you do that for me? That's a very simple to do, very simple step to do. You can do that for me. I hope all of you will do that. So YouTube sent me a kind of analysis report saying why my channel is not growing. Right? They said I have a great content and I have a quality content and everything, but why my channel is not growing? The reason is less than 20% subscribers are click the bell icon, bell notification. Right? So if you are not click the bell notification yet, you are still subscribed, please click the bell icon. So also if you're not subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe. And then the second point is they say you less than 5%, 2 to 5% people only click like button and put comments when I have a video. Right? So if you enjoy the video, if that video gives something to you, please go ahead and click like button, thumbs up, or put a comment about the video. Right? So that way you can freely help me to grow my channel. Right? It doesn't cost anything to you. You just can help my channel to grow. So I hope you would do that. Right? So yesterday when I looked into my channel, I saw my last video was posted like 4 weeks back. Now I have a little bit free time again, so I'm going to talk to you again. Right, so today I'm going to I collected few questions you sent to me, not in a specific order, but the most asked questions kind of a thing. First 5 questions that you most asked from me. Right, the first question is, do I have paid content on Udemy? No, I don't have a paid content on Udemy or any other platform as of today. I was invited to do a few paid courses for Udemy and one other platform. I don't remember the name of that, but I didn't pay enough attention to that. That being said, I feel like YouTube is not the right platform to host complete course with the multiple videos, because sometimes people find in the one video from the middle of the course and they struggle to follow the rest, and so many problems. So that's why I create longer videos when I want to cover entire subject, like hour or 2 hour long video. But as of today, I don't have any paid content on any platform. But if you feel like if you want to pay, or if this is too much for free or something like that, if you want to contribute my work, yeah, it's always welcome and always thankful. You can go to usually I put a link in the description section on each course video. It's like a PayPal link, so it's like the same as a Patreon. You can go there and you can give your contributions. So right now I'm investing my salary to create this video, so in that case you can help me to keep going my channel. That's always welcome. The second question is, why don't I do a day of life video? And that is a trend of YouTubers. Yes, I understand that, and I have seen a few YouTubers doing this, but in my case 98% of my day packed into this single room, right? So meetings, reviews and coding and all those things. I don't see any interesting way to create a video within this small room. So if I do, I will create that video. The next question is, can I show one of my project with how I designed that and the sample codes or something like that? I'm sorry, I cannot do that, because I'm work for a company and it's a company assets, and the design I do for that's for a company and it's a company project. So I'm sorry, I'm not privileged, or I'm not permitted to do something like that. But if I work on a project where I can share information, yes, of course I will do share. But most of the time I take like a similar kind of a problem I'm solving in my real projects and take this to this channel, but those are not the real exact use case or something like that, but it's identical almost, so you can follow along. The next question is, how much I'm earning from YouTube? No, nothing. I mean, if I do some other work, the time I spend for YouTube, I can earn like 10 times than what I'm earning YouTube today. Maybe because I have less subscribers or something like that, but it's not a huge amount of money. and I invest almost my salary, money from my salary to create these videos. It is not something I'm getting a revenue from the videos. So then there was other question, similar question, why I'm doing this video, what is the return for those videos. So the return is you guys, because if you go through the comments, you can see how many people thanking me, helping them to find a new job and helping them to pass the interviews, and saying their success on the project and so on and so forth, right? I think I help hundreds of people. So that is the return that you guys putting a comment and sending messages on my Facebook, and if I don't post a video, you guys pinging me and asking I'm okay. Those are the things I'm earning from this channel. At last, most important question, why do I stop certain courses in the middle without completing? Okay, so let me explain this. I select topics for videos in two different ways. One is personal basis in the sense the personal request I'm getting. So when I get a request saying Krish, can you do a video for this one, and I don't care how many people watch that video and how many likes or comments or views I'm getting for that video, I don't care at all. Even I'm getting less than 10 views for that video, I'm totally fine with it, because I did that video for a dedicated person or a dedicated purpose, right? So I'm happy with it. The second way, I am selecting problems like topics which is trending, and trending in the sense like kind of a current trend, like now I did the microservices like that. And so if I don't see much people interesting on the topic, I usually stop the video, stop the course, because usually, as I said before, I spend like a good 4 to 5 hours per one video to do one video, create those samples, and we record and editing and everything. So it is a waste of time if people are not interested into such topic. That is the reason why I stop certain courses in the middle. So it is not that I hate to do that course, or it is not that I don't like that subject. Only the reason is I don't see people like it or people want it. That's the reason. Okay, right, good. So today I did a Q&A session because I had to go out to some medical test, and then so I'm going to do a video within this week about, I don't know, just wait and see. Then stay safe, guys. Thank you very much for watching, and hit subscribe button and hit thumbs up, and put a comment if you want, if you like, if you're happy. Stay safe, take care.